how to lock album on Samsung One UI 8. So let's see. First open gallery settings, then scroll down. Here you can see about gallery. Open this. Here you can see version. Tap 6 to 10 time on version, gallery version. Tap 6 to 10 times. As you can see, gallery lab open successfully. So go back, scroll down, gallery labs, open this. Here check album entry lock is enabled. If enabled, then go back to album. Once close gallery and open again. So tap and hold on album which you want to lock. Tap on more, lock album. So in this way our album is locked successfully. Thanks for watching.